Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cheryl Fuller with Spiritual Wealth. Super excited today because I've got 77 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you, and thank you for all my views and all of my likes and all of my comments, and just everything has just been a huge amazing life changing journey for me, and I'm so thankful and appreciate that you guys are all a part of it. And so let's get back into it. Today is going to embark, and I wish I had balloons and all this stuff, but it's all good. But today embarks on 77777. So I have 77 subscribers, and I'm going to have 7,777 views. And so I'm super excited. So today I'm celebrating. I'm also changing up my equipment. So my phone right now, it only does 5 minutes, so which is actually a good thing because each video is going to be 5 minutes, and I'll think of a cool thing to call that. But right now, if you guys think of something cool, write it in there. Give me a comment. Right now, I just want to go over some stuff that I've also learned. There was actually a preacher, and I don't know his name, but he just came, I don't even know, out of nowhere, and he made the hugest awesome statement, and so I'm going to talk about that. He talks about words. I don't think I've ever done a video on this, like spells and words and stuff like that, and I probably will touch base on that. But the words that we say are important, and they almost cast a spell because of their spelling and so on and so forth. But the biggest mistake that we make when the biggest word that we use when we say spend is the hugest mistake, because when you say spend, when I say I spend my money, I spend all my money paying all these bills or whatever, and so, or even spent, that basically, what does that mean? Think about what that means. That means it's gone, it's spent, it's adios amigos, it's no more, it's no more. Well, the word that we have to change, and I've been working on it, my family's been working on it, my son's laughing at me about it, but is circulate. So when we go to pay our bills, or we just catch ourselves when we go to say that word spend or spent, we want to replace it with circulate. Circulate, and what does that mean? Circulate means that it comes back to the original point of return. So when we say that, man, I am circulating a lot of money today, I'm circulating a lot of money. So yeah, I just changed. I even put this in my little book that we use to kind of go over our stuff. So yeah, circulate, not spend or spent. So think about it even with your time. I've been using that with my time, because we'll say, I spent so much time, I spend so much time. We need to say, I circulate so much time, so then our time comes back to us. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and thanks so much for everything, all my subscribers and all my views and likes. And if you're feeling my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Thrive Tribe. All right. I thought that was a cool little ring. Thanks again for being here, Cheryl Fuller, Spiritual Wealth, and don't forget to push the like button.